I'm Chris with Mobility Solutions. I'm going to show you how to charge your brand new super portable mobility scooter by Pride. This is the GoGo Super Portable. We have a lot of videos coming out. We really like this product, the way it folds, but how to charge it. It's got a brand new charger you've never seen before. It's a magnetic charger. They call it the Charger 360. And this is the battery remove. Now this battery just slides back here and slides out. If you wanted to leave this unit in your car, all you have to do is take this inside and it just clips on. Doesn't matter how you do it, it just automatically clips. You'll see this light. Now, one important thing is you always have to have this in the off position or it will not charge. So we get over here, we have it in the on position. It will not charge. See this light right here? It thinks that there's nothing in this battery pack. So make sure you turn that on. This light should kick on to red. So now it's charging. Now there's a bunch of different light features. This tells you what's wrong with the charger if you have an issue with the battery. But this light should turn green when it's fully charged. So if you have it off, I'm going to turn it off. This light should turn off. It's not charging. Even though this shows power plugged in, you always have to have this on. The reason why you would have this off, if you wanted to store this battery somewhere, they made this so you can turn it off. It's supposed to last longer. We still want you to charge it once a month or so to maintain the battery. Leave it disconnected or turn it off like so. Now you can also charge this unit. Let's say we had the battery connected. That means it's in freewheel. Let's turn the unit off. Let's say that you're riding this and you're not removing the battery. You can also charge it right on the tiller. And again, since the battery is on, it's charging. But if that switch was off and this light's not on, watch it turn off, we're not charging this unit. So always make sure that we have the switch on so this will charge the unit up for you. So, do you have any questions about this unit or questions if you have this unit, you're having issues with it, if you're trying to charge it, you need some different accessories. We have some different accessories for this unit. We also have a travel bag. We're going to shoot a video on that pretty soon. Just give us a call at 803-926-2224. Or if you're looking for a rugged outdoor scooter, we have a bunch of those too. Check us out at affordablemedicalusa.com. Have a great day.